Okay, students, let's start with the exercise. Clear? This is the first exercise 16a. Here you have to solve these problems with the formula of area of trapezium. Clear? Here question number 1, there are 4 sums are there, A, B, C, D. From here I have solved one. I will show you one how to solve the sum with the formula. Rest all you will complete in your copy. Clear? Here question number suppose 1a, height is given to you and the parallel sides are given to you. So as you know the formula, area is equal to half into b1 plus b2 into h. b1 and b2 are the parallel sides and h is the height or altitude. So here simply you will place the values and you will find out the area, and whatever the unit will be, you have to write down the area in that unit. Clear? As it is centimeter and centimeter, so unit will be centimeter square or square centimeter. Clear? It's must in area unit must be in square. Clear? Next, question number 2. A garden is in the form of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 40 meter and 22 meter and the perpendicular distance between them is 12 meter. Perpendicular distance means it is height or altitude. Find the area of the garden. So this one I have not solved. Here it is simply like this question number 1. Two sides are given. H height is given, you have to find out the area, but as it is the word problem, so you have to write in statement form. Clear? Question number 3, parallel sides of trapezium, these two are given, area is given, you have to find out the altitude, that means height. This one I have solved here. With the same formula you will do. Difference is only that you have to find out the height. So area's value you will place, the sides value you will place, then you will solve, simplify, calculation you will do as it is height, so its unit will be in, not will be in square. Clear or not? Only area's unit will be in square. So here suppose when you will cancel the numerical number, same way you will cancel the units also. Here centimeter square means centimeter into centimeter, which is the unit of area, and this is the unit of parallel side. So 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter will be cancelled, 1 will be remaining. Clear or not? So this way you have to find out the height, altitude. Clear or not? Calculation must be correct. You take the help of the working column, student. Working column maintain. Clear or not? Maintain the working column. Whenever you do the calculation, maintain the working column. Must. Clear? Next, question number 4. Find the height of the trapezium, the sum of the lengths of whose basis is 50 centimeter. Sum of the lengths means b1 plus b2 is equal to 50. Sum means you know total. So b1 plus b2 together is 50. So in the same formula, in place of b1 plus b2 you will write 50 centimeter. Then in same way you will proceed. Clear or not? And you will find out the height. Got it? Question number 5, it is given. Find the sum of the lengths of the bases. That means b1 plus b2 you have to find out. b1 plus b2 whose altitude is 17 centimeter. Altitude means height. And area is given 0.85 meter square. Now one thing, be careful student. Here you see. Question number 5, altitude is given 17 centimeter. Clear? But area is given meter square. I told you unit must be same. So what you will do? Either this centimeter you convert into meter or this meter you convert into centimeter, but both the unit must be same. Then you find out B1 plus B2. Got it? Next, come to question number 6. Here it is given the area of a trapezium is this and the height is this. Here both are in centimeter. If one of the parallel side is double that of the other, find the two parallel side. Double means what? 2 times. Clear? So here I have solved, you see. If one side you consider as x, then other side will be what? Twice x, because it is double. So after placing the values, find out the value of x. Clear? Same formula. You find out the value of x. After getting the value of x, find out b1 and b2. As here I have considered b1 as x, so b1 will be 10 centimeter, then b2 will be 20 centimeter. You can consider b2 also as x, then b1 will be twice x. Clear or not? Understood? Now, question number 7, it is given here. The area of trapezium is this. Area is given to you, meter square. The perpendicular distance means height between the two parallel sides is 15 meter. Both are meter, so no need to change or convert. If the difference of the parallel side, mind it, difference told, is 16 meter, find the length of the parallel side. Difference means what? That means b1 minus b2 is equal to 16. Difference of the parallel side is 16. Now, if you consider b1 as x, whatever, or b2 as x, then what will be the other side? If you consider b1 as x, then b2 will be what? X minus 16. It will be x minus 16. Yes or no? Understood? Because the difference between these two is given 16. So, any one if you consider x, the other one will be this one. So, after getting b1 and b2, same like before, find out the value of x with the formula. Then, put the values of x and find out b1 and b2. Clear, students? Have you understood? I am moving for question number 8. The lengths of the parallel side of a trapezium are in the ratio 3:5 and the distance between them is 10 centimeter. If the area of trapezium is 120 centimeter square, find the length of its parallel side. Here, as the length of parallel side is given in ratio 3:5, so you consider one length as thrice x, another one as 5x. Then same as usual procedure with the formula, place the values, then find out the value of x, then you find out the required parallel sides. Clear? So up to 8 number I have solved. I have told you some I have solved. 8 number also I have solved. Here you see 3x and 5x. Then I have placed the values. Clear? From here I have conclusion because I didn't turn the next page. It will be problem for you. So after getting the value of x, find out b1 and b2. Clear? So in this video up to question number 8 I have solved, and it is given the homework question number 1 to 8, rest of the sum. That means which all sums I have not solved. That all are as homework, but when you will start the exercise in serially you will start. Question number 1 first you will complete, 2, 3, 4 up to question number 8. So I think you all have understood up to question number 8 how to find out the area of trapezium. Students, clear? So in the next video I will move from question number 9 onwards. And from this chapter your calculation and formulas will start. So you have to practice the formulas and you have to be very fast in calculation. Clear, students? Maintain the working column. Don't take the help of calculator or whatever while doing the calculation, because during exam time you will not get the calculator. So you have to calculation you have to do by yourself, but very fast. Clear? Because you will get very big calculation also, sometimes small also, so you have to manage your time also in that way. Got it? Okay, do practice. Clear, students? Thank you.